Beau, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.
Yes.
No. Bye-bye.
Hey, Beau. Hey.
Bye-bye. I'm so mad that I didn't get it on camera. But this morning, Jacob walked into the living room, and Beau was super excited to see him as usual. And so I go, "Hi, Dad," and she repeated me. And Jacob and I both kind of looked at each other like, what? And so I said it again, and she repeated me again. Of course, it was in a baby way. It wasn't perfect, but we were definitely surprised. We couldn't believe that she had repeated me.
Hello. Oh, and you found one on the ground. That's great. You know what? You're pretty cute. You know that? You are such a crazy fake cougher. What are you trying to say? Tell me what you're trying. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.